A very warm good morning to all of you. I am Jayashree Sahu of class 11th of PM Shri Jawaharlal Navodaya Vidyalaya SUNY, and I am honored to express my views on my vision of India in 2047. India, the word itself holds so much emotion, past and trust of its native. Many invaders came and looted the asset of India, leaving it in most pathetic situation. The only real asset that they couldn't loot were the knowledge and potential of its people, and with that potential and cooperation, India emerged as the global power in present times. My vision for India 2047 is surely an utopian vision, but with the emerging talent and knowledge of its youth, this vision can become a beautiful reality. I wish that India 2047 will be free from child labor and discrimination. Every child must provide with quality education and will have various career opportunities so that they can pursue their true passion. Opening numerous schools isn't the solution. Instead, there should be improvement in the quality of education provided. I wish that each citizen of India should feel safe in its own country. The day when any girl can walk freely and safely in the roads of India, that day India will be considered as truly developed nation. I wish that India will be free from any prejudice, judgment, dominance and stereotypes, where people can express themselves freely, where they wouldn't be judged on the basis of their religion, caste, skin color and especially gender. Instead of their own potential and talent. I wish that people will respect each other's opinion, beliefs and culture, not fighting for dominating over others' community. I wish that people will not be ashamed of their own culture and history, where they can proudly say that they belong to India. I wish people wouldn't have to think to leave the country for a job. Instead, they would get their favorable jobs in India. I wish that people wouldn't be abused physically and mentally. I dreamt of incredible Bharat with advanced medical facilities, pollution-free green environment, with various communities living happily and peacefully together, with well-educated and talented youth, and with the safe and literate environment for upcoming generations. With that, I would like to conclude my speech. Thank you.